how to fix Marvel Rivals crashing. So what you want to do is open up your Steam, and once you have logged into your account, we will go into library. So from here we'll just search for Marvel Rivals, right click on it, and then go into properties. From the properties we will go into installed files, and you want to select browse. This is going to lead you to the folder where Marvel Rivals is installed, and you just want to find Marvel Rivals _ launcher. Right click on it and then select properties. From here we will go into the compatibility tab, and you want to check this option, run this program in compatibility mode 4, and you will change this to Windows 8, or leave it like this, I mean. Then you will also check run this program as an administrator. After you have done this, you will click on apply, click on OK, and now this should fix the crashing. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.